we're doing.
Yeah, so we're looking at a bait ball right there. Could be catfish, ocean catfish, as it were. And this was yesterday.
This is
The
TYUAV,
dolphins,
go ahead.
maybe 50 of them or so in a herd at school.
A university, actually. That many is a university.
You think so? It's definitely not a mob. So
It's a pod of
yeah,
dolphins.
pod. That's great.
I'll come and have a look, yeah. We thought we saw some dolphins just visually, not
that's
via
cool.
the drone, a couple of minutes ago in approximately that location. But I'm going to
Yeah,
send the drone
that's
over.
your energy
Over.
units to keep it going. And it's I'm going to go video out this way a little bit too.
That box there is what the drone lives in.
Oh, okay.
So it opens up with the drone launches and then lands back in there. And closes up.
Okay. The box for the drone. And we're looking out at the beaches. And Palm Beach is closed north of here today. And there's a little teeny shark down at DY Beach. Got a beautiful view of the whole ocean over here.
Decent spider there.
Yes, big spider. Yeah, do not go by the spider web. They can be quite poisonous here in Australia. Or you're in America for some. And that's Bilboa Beach. Beautiful out there. You see the line to there for the shark nets. I probably. Oh, ho, ho.